Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is awake and unlocked, because you need full access to menus. Once done, open Settings and type Location in the search box to jump directly to controls. This saves time on different Android or iOS layouts. Make sure Battery Saver is off, since that can limit location accuracy and background permissions. You're establishing the right environment. Doing this first prevents confusion when toggles or permission prompts appear in the next steps. Now you change how location works and who can use it. On Android, choose a mode like High Accuracy for GPS plus Wi-Fi scanning, or Device Only if you want GPS alone. On iOS, check Precise Location so apps get exact coordinates. Next, tap App Permissions or Location Access and set each app to while using Always or Deny depending on your privacy needs. Make these choices deliberately. They determine both functionality and battery impact, and note the difference between temporary and permanent permission. Finish by testing. Open Maps or a location app and confirm your position appears correctly, so you know the changes took effect. If the pin is off, toggle location off and then restart the phone. Simple resets often clear sensor or permission glitches. If problems persist, reset network settings or install system updates that fix location services. These steps refresh GPS databases and connectivity. One troubleshooting tip: check for physical obstructions and avoid metal cases when testing, since they can interfere with reception.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.